Chop the Lord of fuck, that's in there. Don't talk crazy! Yo, it's crazy downtown, bro. It's a march. Yeah. You see the crow, Daddy? Let's go, Raptors. Oh, Chuka coming out straight. Yeah, everybody are calling link up one place in a while. Yo, so see there? Nisha give me the coil and that hairstyle and see that the man them win. The Raptors gone with it.
I'll cook.
A mad thing, man.
That's it.
Just a come off firework, you know? No.
Tell them the time.
Everybody they watch.
Tell them the time and tell me if I'm not a great wife.
I buck up, man. Joe, man. She rides, you know? I respect
Yo,
that as he pray.
My shit. Okay, yo, big up Toronto. Okay. You can tilt the camera down.
Oh shit.
Big up Toronto, you know, we the north. We the north up in this shit.
Yo. Downtown was crazy. It's crazy, not was crazy. It's crazy.
It must be
like,
nice to see all that.
Freddie say he might come home and see somebody that climb one light post.
No, that's what I'm saying. It must be like stupid crazy down there. You know, people are like drunk and stuff.
Yeah, man.
It's like lit on a different level lit. But by the time this vlog goes up, like you guys already know that Raptors won it.
Yeah, but you know, I see somebody cry, something more we have to show them. Yeah, we just come out, come off juggling as usual.
We the north! We the north!
The guy said what?
Because he probably thought I said...
I should have catch that. What the hell? Yo. Don't stop this. Yo. Yo. Honestly, like them people have vibes. You know?
And that was like yo, to how excited I was so close to going out. Going outside to go not pan. I was gonna put Nella down and go pick up the pan and be like,
couldn't do that. Only Jamaica learn to that. Yeah. But we there go home still. Get some fat food. Yeah, we know say we don't feed too much, but right now Raptors game when they play, nobody know the time if you deal with them thing there. Them time I have to order food or you come look food. You know? The bagger say yo, in a life you have people who just born, grow up, can't see everything, you know?
Yeah.
And then you have the one them a fi rough outy, but the one them a rough outy, like them cherish what they can get all time more than the one a rough outy, you know? Yeah.
You think you're like somebody?
No, cause I look back and I say how some pitney grew up with like bathroom, like flush bathroom and them something there. You know what I mean? And then we as the one them a figure use chimney.
Or go outside.
Or go outdoor. You know what I mean?
Yo, honestly, sometimes I look back and I'm happy that I got to experience, like when we lived in Jamaica, we got to experience a different type of lifestyle. Even though we were like Canadian kids, we kind of get to experience that roughness. But like, I don't even mind it.
Yeah,
but I'm happy I went through it because it just makes you look at life different and appreciate stuff differently.
Yeah, exactly. That me I talk about. Because you can ask some people, some people, you know, do you know what a chimney is? Yeah. What? What's the chimney?
Or tell you they're gonna all if they explain it and tell when you used to pee, they're gonna be like, you peed in a bucket, like
yeah.
And you have enough people
they say
that
they come off every day, tip on it too.
That's what we just talking about it, saying how when you don't tuck that shit proper underneath the bed and you come off the bed and you tip it over. Jeez.
A couple of times I just come off a bed about my step right tonight. I'm like, jump over, walk away. Yeah. That's
Yo, I remember
crazy.
even like when we were at my grandma's house, we used to cook in the back. Yeah, like in the time, like kitchen and stuff was just like the house was getting extended, so like certain stuff was being moved. So the kitchen was getting like rebuilt or whatever, and we used to cook in the back.
Fire cooking too.
What? Yo, even when we used to wash dishes outside, like we had a drum beside where it was like a piece of zinc, and we had like a bucket of water.
Man,
we had to,
zinc
like,
you have to.
Yeah, and you just have the bucket at the drum at the side, and you just dip. Yo, when we didn't have water.
Know his shrimps, man.
Water. Yo, it was exciting. Like for me, Shauna was so exciting to having to go fetch water and stuff like that. Yeah. Everyone used to be like, "No water is here." We're like, "Yo, let's go fetch some water." Like it was fun.
Like nice.
Yeah.
You know? Like, so that me I say like when them thing when we as you like get all the face basin.
Yeah.
And we get toilet bowl and them so we appreciate it because we remember the roughness where you come out of, you know? So, the thing what I try is still, even the people that want to grow up with nothing, they appreciate certain things more, which is enough people grow up with it and appreciate the same, you know?
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, so
can I don't know.
You have to give
I think I might have to
thanks. You know, that may I say you have to give thanks for what you have in a life. Worse when you work hard for it, yeah man, you have to give thanks for it, you know? Yeah man.
Did it work?
But anyway, bless up on yourself.
Thanks.
And go and take care of yourself, you know? And
remember, we the North.
We the North now. I can say that. We the North.
We the North.
Why you guys park so close to the car? Hey, I wonder if you frost though, Jaja.
Because I will cough from my back, you know. All if they tap it on, it's a girl. Yes, me man, work for your money, Uber Eats, we say.
Are you man that?
Not like you always try that.
But you are, I like the interesting about it, you know. You always are like,
because
no, but, or don't.
Yo, Ziggy has some times where he's like, yo, it's just.
And see Nisha yeah, Nisha, the mirror, see. Care or them cheat.
What do you call them? The jailbird here stuff. Yo, but on some real ish, big up my baby. Working so hard, 7 days a week. Yo, aren't you tired? Sometimes I feel so bad.
I'm gonna go 7 days, man.
Okay, but I feel like, okay, I boosted the 7 days, guys, but I feel like you really get any days off.
Yeah.
And when it's like, oh, you have a day off, or like they call you, you're just like, shit.
Yo, me want the quailo. I love the quailo, so I have to just go feed. You see,
but remember to rest your body.
Yeah, but I know. Remember say, what day I get 2 days, I'm there, I'm yard. I'm going to go get the next day and then say, come in, and I say, you know, the extra piece of loot that day, you know, I go feed. You know? Yeah, man. No, my daughter can have nice things. You see, yeah, man, but a real thing still. Anyway, we collect some food, see there?
We're just waiting on McChicken. If you can pull up the yellow line, I'll bring it down.
Oh, shit.
You got it?
Yeah, Can I get mayo and ketchup, please?
Jinx!
Sorry, where'd I go? The yellow line? Yeah.
What yellow line? Oh. Good jinx! You aren't tired?
No.
Oh, shit.
Something's actually wrong with my shoulder, man.
Uh-huh.
Check it out. Black buggy, but you punch back.
What the bomba?
Sorry, you know when you see a black buggy and you punch the person?
What?
Show these guys the guy went like this. You know when you see a black buggy, you guys ever do that in Jamaica?
Oh, no.
You
I
can't
don't know
punch
about
you
that.
Hush, I punch you with my knuckles, I'm sorry, but hush.
What is a black buggy, doggy?
When you see a black buggy, like any color, it could all be yellow, red, but you say black buggy, no punch back. Whatever color you say the color, and you say color. Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day to you. So guys, it's Ziggy's first Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, baby. Baby. How do you feel?
I don't know.
This guy said he doesn't know how to feel. It's okay, everything's Father's Day. Big up yourself, Yazid. Me and I love you, Yazid.
Yazid. Same flame.
Same flame, no frame. Hold my hand and walk in the house. So guys, we're here. Okay, let me tell y'all something. There's mornings I want to wake up and make my man breakfast. But you see, Ziggy's real Jamaican. He's not into the whole bacon, sausage, hash brown, egg type of thing. Like, he wants real yard man food. But anyways. Real yard man food, is it? But we here, he made some fritters right here. I'm about to make some baked beans with this. And then, baby girl, I'm actually in the process of also cleaning, but Lila's over here sleeping. Y'all probably wondering, what's on today's agenda? Well, today's actually Sunday. We meant to go to church today, but we woke up kind of late because we came home late last night. So what we're about to do is meet up with the Williams family, Shannon and Mario. We're just gonna have like a little barbecue family dinner. My dad's working today, so yeah, that's what we're about to do. I'm just gonna go finish, like, clean up a little bit. I'm also doing laundry. And yeah, so you know, y'all gonna join today with us. Y'all are gonna go see what we do today and how we chill and all that crap. That didn't make any sense what I just said, but you catch the flick. Is eat. But yeah, we'll tune back in with you guys. So yo, we did up our baked bean and saltfish. If you're Jamaican, you know about the baked bean and saltfish. The baked bean does not taste the same. Like, Canadian baked bean does not taste the same as Jamaican baked bean, but you can't go on, you eat.
So as part of it, we done say what we have planned out for today. So see there, we just come a Walmart and come grab a couple something, because we don't have some chicken leg, some steak, some, I don't know about a sausage thing, because we're really depend on something there, you know. So we can get some Thai, you know, to do with it. So I'll go back home and I'll go start season up, make off a soak. Because we like when the meat season and soak, you know, so everything just soak in it. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, so. That and that. Oh, yeah, I'm going to show you what I go on. Because we're not probably not whole heap. Probably go just play a little domino. What else?
Just chill.
Just chill. Reason and chill, you know? So, chopping back again, you know? Looking good. Yeah, man.
You're watching PatPat.
Say what works there. I'm already watching. You know? What works there. Yeah. Chicken up on the grill, same speed. You know? Make them get some color and then we'll just start season them up, touch them up. You know what I mean? Yeah?
Chef Z, you want me to do up the sauce?
You okay? What I must stick up in?
Yeah. Daddy usually does like water or something underneath them. Like a water bottle.
Beer.
Okay. Why didn't you use some of yours? Or you wanna? There's a tool.
Yeah. Barbecue them up as well. Simmer down. I finished some steak over here, so don't know if Shrep's already, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Alright, we just want to bring up all that part of them. If you give birth to the baby,
Right.
I don't even give birth to the baby. Cut again, cut again.
Just go on, man, just go on.
I just want to bring up all of the father's names. If I feel baby him, if I don't feel baby him, I feel baby him. Yeah, enough respect. I just want to beat up your chest here.
Put down back your glass, mama.
Sorry, put on your glasses, come. Show them, show them. Hey, hey.
Ooh,
hey.
ooh, ooh, ooh.
God, one of the first people I'm always in this yellow shirt.
It's Nisha change theme. Nisha change theme.
It's just comfortable and it's just big.
But something, man. Me something. Nisha stay there for it.
That's not real original.
Me some.
I can't dance.
Come here, weird. Some.
Shauna, you're not I don't have the hard one. I got this
Yeah?
staining her.
See there?
I can wash it. Why are you taking that here? Yes, Shauna. Yes. You're missing it.
Please put us like that.
See if I dance, Sean, I dance.
Are you dancing, Sean? You're dancing?
Think I dance, yeah. See, man.
Why did you bring it in here?
Being every girl, I feel like chat, can't chat to my face. I'm not stuck in the window.
Oh no. That's the baby body.
Yeah, if it's a sheller. But I'm still sheller still. I don't just know for a long time. Hi. Alright, big one.
Really? Hey, tough on me.
How are you, bumper clot?
Yeah. So you can't be jumping like you had so funny.
So, did I come put on this?
Hey, camera people, them say they want to see you.
So, but me have on no clothes. That's what the Brazil me have on.
You can't, all you see is your big head.
So, you're not supposed to put me passing with me a dancing either.
If only one man see you.
Come here, block your hair. Look, just don't move.
If only one man see me, none look frown and they block me night and I man them nasty. They want.
So you want one of the man them to see you?
Yeah, man, see me after me can't tap them frost, see me not for them.
Guys, that is the end of our vlogs. Everyone's gone home. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Father's Day was a success. Everything was a success. It was really cool, chill Father's Day. We enjoyed our time with the Williams family and ShawnaBanana. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Join the family, the newbie fam. And we'll see you guys in our next one.